All I ever wanted was a brown skin girlfriend. Real class, gotta keep a happy rat. Tea in the gym bag. It's not even out yet. Wait, how she even get that?
Hi everyone, I'm Aaliyah and welcome back to my channel. So I'm so excited for today's video because my brand new camera has just arrived today. So I literally just finished work a few minutes ago and I just knew I had to do this video right away. So this is my first ever camera and I got the Canon G7X Mark II. I just can't wait any longer. Let's just get straight into the unboxing. So I bought my camera from the Curry's PC World website, which is like an electronics brand in the UK where you can buy like phones, laptops, cameras, all that kind of stuff from. And I got the vloggers kit because you got more for the price. So like if I got the camera on its own, it was about like £560 I think it was, but with this set it ended up being £500, which is amazing because I got a camera, a tripod and a memory card. So yeah, let's just get right into it. I'm struggling to open this up. Oh my god, this is so hard to open. Okay, am I just dumb or what? I actually can't open this. I don't want to ruin the packaging because I'm a weirdo and I like keeping packaging. So I don't know if you guys can see, but this is what it looks like inside. So first of all I have the tripod, and this is a Gorilla tripod which I'm very excited about because it's so versatile, like you can literally put it on anywhere because it's very flexible. So this is the tripod. Then here's the camera box, but let me get the memory card first before we get into that. Okay, I actually can't see the memory card, so it must be in the camera box, so let's get into that. This is the camera, it's the Canon G7X Mark II. I'm so excited to open it up. God, I feel like I've become a YouTuber. Ooh, so cute. So I don't know if you can. Oops. So this is what it comes like in the box. So first of all, you get your just instructions. What are these? Then you get these two things. I think they're two instruction manuals. So I finally found the memory card that came in the camera box, and it's a 32GB memory card. So that's part of the whole vlogging kit. Like you don't get that if you buy the camera separately. Here is the charging cable. So the camera's in this little box. Okay, I'm just going to put that to the side. Let's see what else is in the box. And then next in the box you get this little charging thingamajig. I'm not a tech channel, so I don't know the right word for this. What is this called? The word's not coming to me at the moment, but I'll have it up on screen. Then next is the battery, which you get in the box. And then it also comes with a little wristlet, which I will be putting on the camera as soon as possible because I'm very clumsy. So yeah, here is the camera in this little box. Let's open it. I'm so excited. I've literally been wanting this camera for years. Oh my god, it's gorgeous. So this is the camera. Oh, look at the flip screen. Okay, I'm gonna put the battery in and get this all set up, and then I will be back with a side-by-side comparison of my phone camera, which is the Samsung Note 9 and this. So I'll be back. Here is a little side-by-side comparison of the Canon G7X Mark II and my phone camera. So for my phone I have the Samsung Note 9 and I use the back camera. I love the quality the Canon G7X has given me, like it's so high quality. With the Canon G7X you can literally see every little detail on my face, which it's not amazing, but you know, it's got some high quality, which is good. And I love the way it blurs the background out, like yeah. I hope it's got the audio sounds good too on here, so, but I won't know that until later. So yeah, there's a little side-by-side comparison. So that's it for my unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. I can't wait to level up my content and start posting consistently because I feel like with this camera, like, it just enables me to do that. So I'm really excited about making, you know, more little videos, and I can't wait to make like travel vlogs in the future and stuff like that. Yeah, I'm just so excited to use this camera. So don't forget to like, comment and follow me on my socials, and also subscribe, because with this camera my content is just gonna level up and I'm gonna try and post as consistently as I can. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video, and hopefully I'll see you very soon in my next video. So bye for now.
All I ever wanted was a brown skin girlfriend. Real class, gotta keep a happy rats. Tea in the gym bag. It's not even out yet. Wait, how she even get that?